You're about to get access to the most advanced auto trading software in the world that is powered by Google Search Engine. Pay close attention to this video because in the next 8 minutes, you will get access to the exact software that makes our users on average between $1,800 to $4,300 in profits per day for free. But before we go any further, it's important that you understand this is not your normal sales video. In fact, you won't have to buy anything at all. So please put your credit card away because you're not going to need it to pull in profits like this.
Hi, my name is Ben Williams, and I'm the CEO of Google Trader. I started Google Trader in 2013 with a mission to crack the code of making money with binary options through the Google search engine algorithm. Why Google? Because Google knows everything. Google knows what the best market opportunities are. Listen to what some of our beta testers had to say about Google Trader.
Here we go.
Hey man, so I'm making this short video just to say a big thank you. You can't believe how happy I am. Like, I could actually hug you, but you know, I'm married. Still, I really wanted to say thank you for giving me access to the Google Trader software. Okay, now I make around $25,000 a month, and I started without any experience. I actually think it was the best decision of my life because right now I make about $25,000 a month, and my next target is to make at least $50,000 a month. So I'll keep you updated on my progress, and I'll inform you as soon as I reach my target of $50,000 a month. For now, it's goodbye man, and again, really, thanks a lot.
Hi, my name is Tammy, and I am married with 5 children. Yes, 5 children. And as you know, anybody with kids knows that, extra income is always very good. So when my husband and I were doing some research to figure out what it was that we could do, we came across Google Trader software. And it's been a godsend ever since. In doing the numbers at the end of the first month, we did $12,560. I was completely impressed. And after the second month, we generated $15,000. And my husband said, "Honey, I think you can quit your job." And so I did. And we've been going at it ever since. I full-time, and we decided after 6 months, once that revenue maintains, he's going to quit his job. So Google Trader software is amazing, and it's easy to use. We walk in the house. We open up the computer, we refresh it, and we pretty much check the profits from, today. I can't thank you enough. Google Trader software, you have changed our lives, and you have made it possible for us to give our children what we never had. And for that, we are very, very grateful. So thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Over the last 2 years, I gathered the best binary options market analysts and the best programmers in the world in order to create the most powerful trading software that makes money consistently. Today, we have over 1,000 beta testers, and all of them are making at least $1,800 in pure profits every day. The Google Trader works.
See, this is not a gimmick, a glitch, an anomaly, or a loophole that can close at any time. It'll all make perfect sense to you in a few minutes. Stay with me, and I will show you how the Google Trader works. We have 100% success rate. How is that possible that the Google Trader software makes us so much money? And how to get access for free. You'll learn how to use it for yourself to make at least $350,000 in 2015, starting from scratch, with no big investment sum needed. And most importantly, you'll understand without any doubts as why I made this very page and how I profit from it. This is not one of these binary option scams you're